Natalie Van Rijdstrom here, reporting for sportsbookreview.com. With so many online sportsbooks serving the market today, it may seem overwhelming when it comes to choosing the one that deserves your business. Not to fear, Sportsbook Review is a resource that is here for you, and we've done the heavy lifting for you. The online sportsbook rating guide lists more than 200 active sports betting sites serving the market today and has been cited by the likes of ESPN and many other publications. Placement on the ratings guide is not for sale. Companies that hold SBR ratings of A+ are considered the industry's most reliable and reputable businesses and have many years of paying in a timely fashion and handling player complaints reasonably. No company is perfect, but the companies that hold ratings of A+ have proven to be elite. You can still find very good sportsbooks from the A to B range, though the lower you go, the more customer service related or platform issues you might expect to encounter. Sportsbooks in the C range are middle of the pack and average, or simply brand new. Sportsbooks that hold ratings of D to D+ are below average, and some have payment issues. Online sportsbooks in the D- to F range are part of the worst sportsbook blacklist and should be avoided at all costs. As always, if you have any issues with a sports betting site that you would like assistance with, simply submit a sportsbook complaint form and a dispute analyst will get back to you and do their very best to assist. SBR has helped players recover over $5 million in contest winnings since 1999, so hopefully we can help you too. For sportsbookreview.com, I've been your host, Natalie Van Rijdstrom.